If you want to change icon size on OPPO Find X9 Pro, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, if you choose the home screen, lock screen and style, then you can swipe up in order to find the icons option. And in here we can find this icon slider that allows us to make our icons smaller or bigger. Besides that, you might also find an option for the size of the name of the app and so on and so forth. So general customization is over here. However, besides that, what you can also do is, for example, over here on the home screen, let me actually move this app to the next page. What you can do is if you press and hold and then see these options, then you can grab by the bottom right corner in order to extend to 2x1 or, well, vertically or horizontally. And you can have like a wide or tall icon, just like that. But you can also use, of course, 2x2, so then the app icon is huge, just like you can see over here on the screen. You can, of course, combine it with these styles as well. And in some cases, if some apps provide some additional shortcuts, then you can actually attach these shortcuts instead of just using an icon. So for example, if I extend it over here, as you can see, I have 3 slots and I can use them, for example, to quickly access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, settings, battery, and so on and so forth. But if I don't, then of course I don't really have to do that. There we go, and this is how it looks like if we do use a shortcut. So now if I tap on the Bluetooth icon, I will just jump to Bluetooth settings, just as an example, of course. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.